In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a second Brawl Stars account and actually switch between both of them. Now, the first thing you need to do once you actually open it up, you can actually see in the top right hand corner, there's these three lines right here, which you want to click on, and you want to go to the settings option right here. When you click on this, you can actually see there's a Supercell ID, which we want to click on, and you can actually see it'll bring you to this pop-up like so, where you want to click on the gear icon in the top left. When you click on this, you can actually see right here all of your accounts, and you basically just want to click out on log out. If you currently don't even have a Supercell ID, you need to create one on this page and then click on the logout option. Then you can actually see we can log out like so, and you want to click on play without Supercell ID. Once you've done this, you basically want to create your age, and then you can see it will open you up a new account. Now you're going to have to complete the tutorial for this. It does take you like 3 or 4 minutes, so I'm going to speed run it right now. And you can see right here, once you've completed the tutorial, you'll actually have another account like so. And once you want to do this, if you want to switch between these accounts, you go to the three lines in the top right hand corner. You want to click on the option called ID Connect, or you can go to settings up here. Simply click on the Supercell ID, scroll down, and then click on register a new Supercell ID. Or you can actually click on this and click on continue, and you basically want to choose an email that you have. And once you've done that, it'll basically send you an email with a code to you, which you actually need to submit, and you can basically choose a player ID as well as a profile photo for your Supercell ID. And once you've done that, and you can see right here, I've actually just created my new account. And if you want to switch between these accounts, you can click on the three lines in the top right hand corner, and then you can go to the settings, click on Supercell ID, and you can actually see right here, if you click on the gear icon, you can scroll down and actually simply log out or just switch accounts right here. And you can see those are both of my accounts, and you can always create another one just by logging out, completing the tutorial, and then making another one if you want a third or fourth or so on. And yeah, if you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing. Have a great day.